javelina. It happened to me once late at night. I was walking with my pup when one jumped out of the mud. He wasn't alone, they chased us home, what a fight. But we got to see a javelina. It is sunny, you bet. The starry nights are better yet. But you never know what else you'll get in the desert. What else you'll get in the desert. Have you ever been attacked by a cactus? It happened to me not long ago. I was hiking with my dog when she sniffed her way headlong into a cholla. It caught hold of her nose. We were attacked by a cactus. It is sunny, you bet. The starry nights are better yet. But you never know what else you'll get in the desert. What else you'll get in the desert. Have you ever heard a lonely coyote? It happened as the sun set in the west. I was taking out the trash when I saw a shadow make a dash. I heard a ooh, and then I knew I had met a very lonely coyote. It is sunny, you bet. The starry nights are better yet. But you never know what else you'll get in the desert. What else you'll get in the desert. It is sunny, you bet. The starry nights are better yet. But you never know what else you'll get in the desert. What else you'll get in the desert. In the desert. In the desert. In the desert. In the desert.
Hey, welcome back. Did y'all have fun?
Yeehaw!
Did you get to see a cactus? How about that javelina?
Wow, awesome!
Can you make it sound like a coyote? Hey, that's pretty good. Well, I got...
Maybe I should've let you go. I should've let you just walk on by. Never even said hi. No, no. Then we would never know just how hard it feels to open up hearts, to have to let them go. But we can't turn back now, 'cause we've come too far to not leave with broken hearts. I guess something inside my soul just couldn't stand to let you walk away so easily. No, no. And maybe in time we can figure out just what these moments are all about. All we guaranteed is a little change. Oh, I don't want my heart to feel this way again. And I just both got a lot to say, but the words escape. It never seems to be an easy way. No, no. I hope and pray we at least get just a one more dance. We decide to give this love a chance. Cause we got enough to try. We just need a little more time. Make sure we get it right. Oh yeah, yeah. And maybe in time we can figure out just what these moments are all about. All we guaranteed is a little change. Oh, I don't want my heart to feel this way again.